Now, Wave 31 Storm Tracker Chief Meteorologist Taylor Knust with 31 Triple Doppler.
We hate to hear about severe weather anywhere, and thankfully we're not dealing with that here this weekend at all.
Yeah, North Alabama's really dodged the bullet the past week because our neighbors to the west in Mississippi have had some really bad weather the past several days and could see it again overnight tonight. As for us here locally, we're watching for the potential of some stronger storms late tomorrow. But most of tomorrow should be okay if you have plans with Dad.
Yeah, hang out outside.
Yeah, that's right. It's going to be hot, though, just like it's been today. The heat index in a few spots has climbed to the 90s, and we are still there at this hour, feeling like 91 in Muscle Shoals and in Athens. 90 is both the heat index and the actual temperature in Huntsville this late afternoon. Elsewhere, actual temperatures in the mid to upper 80s on this Saturday afternoon. Temperature-wise, staying in the 80s through 8 o'clock this evening. We will fall to the 70s late in the evening. Clearing skies, virtually no chance for rain during the evening hours in Huntsville. Tomorrow, back at it with the heat for Father's Day. A forecast high of 92 degrees. Hot, muggy conditions. During the daytime, a 30% chance of rain. That number rises significantly once we get to Sunday night. As far as the heat index is concerned, take a look at this. It could feel like the mid-90s around 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Sunday. So be wary that it's going to be a hot one out there, maybe even a little bit more so than it was today. All right, let's talk about the rain threat. Right now, we're not seeing much at all on 31 Triple Doppler. We've had a couple of showers pop up briefly this afternoon. Most of those have fizzled out, and we are likely going to be looking at a dry evening across North Alabama. It has been another active day farther south near the Gulf Coast, where we've had several severe thunderstorms, and that continues at this hour. What we're going to be monitoring overnight tonight, heading into Sunday, is what's developing to our west in the plains. Numerous severe thunderstorms expected there as we head into this evening. That cluster of strong storms will push east overnight tonight. This is what it could look like on the radar at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Strong storms in Mississippi and Arkansas. Those will fizzle tomorrow morning, maybe drifting to our south and east as well. As we head to the daytime tomorrow, we will see new development of strong storms, again initially to our west, but some of those on Sunday night will eventually head our way in North Alabama. Here's the regional severe weather risk on Sunday. The biggest threat is going to be to our southwest from Arkansas through Louisiana and Mississippi. As for us in North Alabama, we are mainly in a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather. Our far southwest counties under the level 2 out of 5 risk for severe storms. When we do see the storms, they will be heavy rainmakers, and so heavy downpours could lead to some brief isolated flooding at times late Sunday. Gusty winds and large hail will be the primary threats with anything we pick up late in the day tomorrow. So future radar shows a slight chance at a few showers around the shoals early in the day tomorrow, but most of us are dry for the first half of the day on Sunday. There is a slight chance at pop-up strong storms during the afternoon, but again, most of us are likely dry tomorrow afternoon. As we head into Sunday night, these storms start to move our way and will be fairly widespread, likely sticking around as we head into Monday morning as well. Those are the storms that could potentially be severe. Again, we're not expecting an outbreak of severe weather, but a handful of those storms could be on the strong side, and we will keep the threat for scattered showers and storms around during the day on Monday as well. In fact, most of next week will bring us at least chances at showers and storms every single day all the way through next weekend. We're going to be setting up in a consistent pattern for us across the region. And with that in mind, we are going to cool down with highs down to the low and mid 80s most of the work week next week, back to the upper 80s by the following weekend.